Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Chad and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on Urgent Capability Acquisition. What is Urgent Capability Acquisition? An urgent capability acquisition is a pathway in the adaptive acquisition framework reserved for capabilities required to be delivered as soon as possible due to their urgent need. These urgent needs are usually meant to save lives or ascertain mission accomplishment. This acquisition pathway uses a quicker acquisition method to produce capabilities in under 2 years. What is the purpose of urgent capability acquisition? The purpose of urgent capability acquisition is to fulfill urgent existing and/or emerging operational needs or quick reactions in less than 2 years. There are 3 types of urgent capability acquisitions. 1. Joint urgent operational need. 2. Joint emergent operational need. And finally 3. Urgent operational need. I will go over each of these types next. The first type of urgent capability acquisition is joint urgent operational need. A joint operational need identifies and subsequently gains joint staff validation and resourcing of a solution desired within days or weeks, to meet a specific high-priority need. It's identified by a combatant commander and the scope is limited to addressing urgent operational needs that 1. Fall outside of the established service processes. 2. Will seriously endanger personnel or pose a major threat to ongoing operations. The joint operational need doesn't involve the development of new technology or capability, however, the acceleration of an advanced concept technology demonstration or minor modification of an existing system to adapt to a new or similar mission is within the scope. The next urgent capability acquisition type is the joint emergent operational need. Joint emergent operational need are identified by a combatant command as inherently joined and impacting an anticipated or pending contingency operation. The final type of urgent capability acquisition is urgent operational need. An urgent operational need is a capability requirement identified by a DoD component as impacting an ongoing or anticipated contingency operation. If the need is left unfulfilled, the result in capability gaps potentially resulting in loss of life or critical mission failure. DoD components may use a different name for a urgent operational need. Thank you for watching this tutorial on urgent capability acquisition. For more information please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.